What's up, everybody? We here with a haircut tutorial to basically show y'all how I do a mullet and to teach y'all my way of cutting hair. So the first thing you want to do is comb everything out. Now I'm balding the first line out, and we're going to clean that up, and we're going to pretty much make this pretty much bald as you want it. I'm gonna make this really bald. So I'm gonna go back with the box shavers, the Babless box shavers. Everything I use today is Babless, and we're gonna make this bald as possible so we can make this taper come to life. Okay, the next thing you wanna do is lever open. Lever open is gonna make this transition, bust. You feel me? This is gonna be the next transition in your taper or your fade. And now we're just doing lever close with the other Babless clipper, and we just basically took out that line between the lever open and the bald. And now what I'm doing now, since I don't use guards to cut hair, I just pretty much raking, and I'm kind of finding my blend, just detailing the dark spots to pretty much just help that transition come to life, just make that blend pop even more. So I really want to just dig into that dark spot that I'm trying to hit now, while I'm kind of fading under it and just making sure like them extra lines is out. And now we're just using that comb to kind of debulk that hair right there at the top by the parietal ridge area. And as you can see, that taper is coming through. That comb is my form of a guard, so I kind of use that to kind of set in other guidelines. And now we just doing a lot of detail work, man, to make sure that taper looking good, or that mullet taper, whatever you want to call it, is just looking magnificent. And I want y'all to hit that like button and comment if y'all enjoying this video so far. And now I'm just doing a lot of detail work because I want my work to show. I want my work to actually look professional. I don't want my blend to look tight or just little. I want it to expand and make I see you, boy. So we're gonna do the same exact steps on the left side of this head, and we just gonna pretty much just take our time with it. I ain't speed the video up. I want y'all to watch it, enjoy it, and let me know what y'all think about this so far. These Babless box shavers, by the way, are hitters. I need new foils, actually. If somebody could send me them, please do. But same thing, lever open, man. We're gonna do our next transition after the bald. The only reason you do that so you could start your blend from the bald, because you can't start a blend from bald straight to debulking the hair. You gotta make some type of transition. So now we're just going lever close on my black Babless clipper, and we're just taking out that bottom line much as possible, taking our time with it. And now we're just doing that flick work and just making this blend come to life, starting my next transition after the lever open to make sure that that blend show, you know what I mean, and make sure that I'm getting all that bulk out. As you can see here with that comb, I'm just taking my time, finding the dark spots that I need to hit, finding my next part in my blend. And how I find my blend is I basically I picture my haircut already before I start my haircut. So as I'm going through consultation with my client, I'm actually already picturing what I want to do, what the taper gonna look like, or the fade, or whatever specific haircut at the time. I already know it. So as you can see here, I'm just detailing a lot. I'm bringing them dark spots, like I said, above that ear by the parietal ridge, a little bit under the parietal ridge area, where I want that taper and that hair to kind of sit on each other. I'm trying to expand that blend more. I'm not letting that blend stay tight and look mean and ugly, So next we're gonna start out with the Babless trimmer. We're gonna go ahead in with the edge up. We're just gonna take our time and beam them up, organic, no enhancements. This specific haircut, I wanted to go original, so he can, the straight hair clientele, I feel like in general shouldn't get enhancements at all, because their hair is already so nice that the blend and the haircut talk for itself. So learn how to use both hands, because it helps you be versatile in your art and your craft. It makes you special in a way. You won't have to take so much time, you know what I mean, to cut hair. Because now if you only using your right hand, if you only using your dominant hand, you got to turn a certain way. You got to push the client head out uncomfortable just for you to get that angle that you want. So learn how to use both hands. It helps a lot. And now we just going on to that back line, man. Hey, the neckline, it should just come to you, bro. Y'all shouldn't have to rush nothing. Y'all shouldn't have to force anything. Push that neckline back. You know what I mean? Push it neckline all the way under your occipital bone. Like, how they get that far, bro? But nah, comment and let me know if y'all understand what I'm saying right now and like this video. So like I said, I want these lineups to be organic. I want them to be natural. I basically want to just have fun with these lineups, you know? Like these C cups I'm doing, do not push these C cups, man. Don't push them. Let the C cups come itself. Like, of course you got to shape it up, of course you got to line it up, but what I mean is, you see how I'm taking my time. You barely see hair coming off, but it's still getting crispy. You know what I mean? You got to learn how to hit the hair and attack the hair without really pushing hair back too much, because in our reality you got to push a lineup back just for it to show in a way, but you really have to take your time and focus. And like I'm doing now, as y'all can see, I'm just letting my clipper do the work. The Graphite 2.0 blade is one of the best blades in the game. Babblers, I love y'all. So we just finna work on this back lineup again. Take your time on edge ups, cause we just having fun with this mullet. I actually do a lot of mullets, and I really enjoy doing mullets because it really brings out your creativity. It really brings out the blend. It really shows what can you do in this barber industry. What can you do with these clippers? You know, like, can you have fun doing it? You know, like, I'm not cutting hair for somebody else's vision. You know what I mean? I'm doing this because this is what I love doing. So these haircuts come easy to me. It come natural. I study this day in, day out. So right now, man, we're doing extra detail work. Like I said, it separates you, make you stand out, you know, make your haircut stand out, make your service stand out in general. You know, after when you're done with your haircut, look away for a little bit, let your eyes refocus, you know, let everything come together so you can go back and look and be like, okay, I need to hit this part, I need to hit this part. So right now I'm just actually deboking and just kind of just finding, you know, just trying to expand that blend a little bit more. Like right now, low key too tight for me, but I expanded more. You know, I'm trying to clean up that bulk area, as y'all can see now, and I'm just taking my time, man. But if y'all enjoyed this video, this tutorial, hit that like button, comment. This gonna be on IG, so just follow me, and it's gonna be on YouTube, so subscribe to me, man. We out and all